sun where I find, I know it's hard sometimes, pieces of peace in sun's peace of mind. I know it's hard sometimes, yeah, I think about the end just way too much, but it's fun to fantasize on my enemies who wouldn't wish who I was, but it's fun to fantasize. Oh, 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 I'm falling, so I'm taking my time on my ride. Oh, 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 I'm falling, so I'm taking my time on my ride. Taking my time on my ride. I die for you, that's easy to say. We have a list of people that we would take. A bullet for them, a bullet for you, a bullet for everybody in this room. But they don't seem to see many bullets coming through. See many bullets coming through. Metaphorically, I'm the man, but literally, I don't know what I do. I'd live for you, and that's hard to do. Even harder to say when you know it's not true. Even harder to write when you know that tonight there were people back home who tried talking to you, but then you ignore them still. All these questions, they're for real. Like, who would you live for? Who would you die for?
Saya minta anggota sekalian, usahakanlah tempat kerjamu itu, saya nggak tuntut mewah, tapi rapi, bersih, tertata. Saya ingin bahwa kamu bekerja karena memang panggilan dirimu, karena tanggung jawabmu, karena rasa syukurmu. Semua harus dari sini. Do the best. Itu ada pernyataan kasat. Kamu hidup tuh sesuai dengan levelmu sendiri. Yang penting kau bahagia, tata keluargamu, hubunganmu dengan keluarga enak, sudah. Jangan kau paksakan. Pada para anggota sekalian, kalian tetap semangat, bekerja dengan ikhlas. Dan ingat, kalau kamu ingin dicintai rakyat, maka tunjukkan performan dirimu dan satuanmu. Jangan lupa amali semua kegiatanmu dengan doa.
Taking my time on my ride. Oh, 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 I'm falling, so I'm taking my time.